All right, here's another one. Will it run? Yes, people, it's a Vega. And no, it's not a Baldwin Motion Vega.
It's a Vega Wagon.
Oh, sorry, Vega Wagon. With a pretty nifty hood scoop on it. That's the only good thing about this thing. Actually, they're pretty neat cars. I like them. We'll see if it runs. And I think it's, last time I'm going to have to judge is 15 years ago. Small block Chevy with a very vintage Excel filter, what's left of it. I see a little bit of a problem when you...
And that's not our battery.
Oh yeah, that's an issue there.
Hit me in the head. Oh yeah.
That's,
take some weight off there.
Actually, another
lovely 80s, vintage 80s T-handles.
Another vintage, sorry, probably the best feature of this whole car, it is a 4-speed, even though it is a Saginaw, but it is a 4-speed. And the shitty thing about it, some kids came and knocked the window out of this thing. Trying to get into it, so my safety blanket so I don't get glass up you know what. Man, these things are small people and I'm a small guy. Holy crap. But 4-speed, baby. Ooh, even reverse lockout. Oh yeah, that works. Huh. Huh. Banging gears in no time. All right.
Well,
How the heck did Rick drive this thing? Alrighty.
quarters are nice.
It's actually a pretty solid car. It's, like I said, it's one of those things either you like them or you hate them. It's just a shame that somebody knocked the window out of this thing. You see Derek here changing the battery out. Oh. Judging by the acorns and all that, it's been there for a while. And I don't know if those are like for the V8 Vega conversion, if these are the like factory mounts, because I've seen them before in other cars. And when I first seen it, I thought it was pretty hokey, but like I said, I've seen them before in other cars. So I don't know. I've never worked on one of these things. I do remember going for a ride in this thing with Rick back in the day a few times.
You want to pull the fan build off so it doesn't, it's already...
Oh, you're anticipating that's going to run still?
I'm anticipating it might turn over.
Yeah, that's a good point. Oh, it's magic. Now I've gone down and screwed it up. Oh, that's why, because it's probably on the crank. That's why. There we go. Oh. Probably original GM built. At least this one here, if it will, you know, at least we won't have to worry about points. Great difficulties. That's pretty rough. Oh, I guess we've got keys. Alrighty. If not, we'll have to fix it a bit more. Oh yeah, that's right, because they broke that. Hope I don't get glass up the old derriere. Oh man. Oh, we got light. Fasten seatbelts, boys. Put on the clutch. Oh, gotta wiggle the terminals. I think we're gonna have to fix those. No, we got nothing now. No? Nothing. You got a 50-point cable, it's just about broken. Yeah. Oh! That's what I think. It's so rotten, I gotta fix it.
Yeah. Alright. We will fix that.
Yeah, this battery could be half dead.
Yeah, I'm filming. Okay, we've jury-rigged the positive cable, and everything seems to be moving on the carb. It has oil. It has these lovely, very brittle
Air compressor hose.
air compressor hose for fuel line. Okay, I'm gonna see if it.
Yeah, call it when you want to crank.
Crank it. No.
Yeah, modulating could be unmodulating. Demodulating. Okay, can't smash it. There's a modulator in the distributor, eh?
Oh.
Well, let's pull a spark plug wire off and get a spark plug and see if we got.
Yeah, spark plug wire off. Yeah, spark plug wire off.
Yeah, we'll have to go find a spark.
Alright, we'll go find a spark plug and we'll see you in a bit.
Okay. No spark?
No spark.
Okay. Well, since we don't have spark, we'll go grab a screwdriver. We'll take this guy apart. And cut. You don't worry about the gas, I'll do the fueling. Where are the fuel bills on these things? Just in the front?
I can't see
Oh, Chris, are those fuel bills?
I think so.
Yeah, these? Yeah.
So we tried to start it, wouldn't, no sparks. We changed out the module and it appears we're getting the spark now.
I'll try to start. We'll do this first, and then if we can fire, I'll fill it up.
Well, I'll stew her. Alright, climbing into this thing, man.
Plugs back on.
Are you sure we're getting spark?
No spark this time.
Maybe jiggle the wires to the distributor. Like, you know, the one for the...
Good spark.
Alright, try it again now.
Should have it on the fuel by now.
Holy shit.
Give me a minute and I'll fill up the fuel bowl.
Are you filming it?
The little Vega wagon runs. Do they have an oil pressure gauge? Or just a light?
Yeah, maybe a light.
Just a light? Yeah, there's no belt, so the fan's not running.
Smoking. Also, too, you're going to be if we would pick up shitty old fuel. But
Yeah. Want to see if it moves?
well, it's gonna. Oh, now it's burning off there. That's old fuel. I don't think we're ready for the Nationals yet.
Let's see if it.
Hey? You what?
You're gonna hold it up and let go of the clutch. Slow.
Through the distributor, maybe you're loose. No spark?
No.
No spark again.
Gotta be a weak connection to the distributor.
Yeah.
You like how I just made up that word? It could be the high lead and the tension lead to the distributor. I'm trying to sound like you know who's saying distributor.
Oh gosh, get that one.
No spark anymore.
Boy. Right. Anyway, the Vega ran. Actually not too bad, surprisingly, for sitting for about 15 years or so. Figured we'd just do a little video on some of these cars. There's going to be a lot more cars next year. It's just it's getting fall time and we got better things to do at the moment. But anyway, I hope you like this video of getting old crap running. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, hit that button, everything else. Vega power! That's going to be me next year at the Nationals. Sorry, I don't do as good a job as Kevin, but anyway, have a great day.